Dozens of huge wildfires are still burning all along the West Coast, but the flames aren't the only concern right now. Experts say the smoke and ash filling the skies around the fires is making the air extremely dangerous to breathe. Officials are urging people in California, Oregon, and Washington state to stay inside with the windows shut. But that's easier said than done for people moving back to their homes after the fires pass through.
I'm tired, and I'm trying right now to clean off everything so that I can bring everybody home because they're both oxygen compromised. So at least I can get them inside the house, and I can keep them in.
Experts say they expect the air to remain dangerous for days or even weeks after the fires are eventually put out.
And check this out, fire crews are also working hard to rescue anyone who needs it, and that includes this sweet little puppy. Rescuers found him hiding under some equipment outside a home just north of Sacramento. They say he had some minor burns, but vets expecting him to be just fine.